Make money with My Daily Choice without purchasing product? Is that even possible? It's not only possible now, it's an option to get you started. You see, it doesn't have to be complicated. Check it out. See if it's right for you.
Hey guys, the other day I sent out an email saying, hey, if you want to make a check by Thursday, let me know. And a crazy number of you replied, so I've been able to get back to everybody. So I'm just going to make this video real quick and send this out. This is such a cool company. Now, I'm not going to get into all of it right now about the products and everything. I do want you to think about something for a second. Here I am at 7 o'clock having a glass of wine, really good glass of wine, by the way. And I'm working because I want to, because I have really big goals. I've already made a lot of money with this company, and I can help you make a lot of money too. You can do this without buying any product if you don't want to. Just by going in and signing up for free as a free affiliate, you can do what I'm about to show you, and you can start making money. Now, I caution you, because if you don't experience the products like I did, like I started with a lot of products because I wanted to experience the products. That made me more excited, but some of you can't afford that. Now, if you can afford it, you should email me and say, okay, Mike, I can afford a little bit of product. I want to understand what you're saying, and we should have a conversation, because there are more compensation income streams available to you if you make a higher commitment. But isn't it cool that if you're broke and you can't afford any product, that with what I'm going to show you, you can get access to all the free tools with this company and do really simple steps and make a check. Just to be clear, before I show you this, before I show you how to sign up for free and what to do with these tools to start making a check, just listen very carefully for a second. I make a lot of money, and you can work directly with me and put me to work for you to make a lot of money in this company. I've shared a lot about that, but you do need to make a commitment if you want to put me to work to make a lot of money. If you just want to make a few checks, that's cool. I'm going to show you how to do that. But if you want to make a lot of money before you get started on this, before you sign up for free, or if you're at the free level now, before you jump in, reach out to me and say, okay, Mike, I get what you're saying. It makes sense that I'd want to try the products and make a bigger commitment and work with you. What are we looking at? Like, let's have that conversation. If you just want to move forward at the free level, just make a little bit of money, just a check here or there, awesome, let's do it. Here's what you do. First of all, you need to have a position we call pre-enrollee. There's lots of different lead capture pages. I'll send you a link in this email to become a pre-enrollee in case you're not. Most of you already are, but if you're not, you'll want to enter this, and then you get a pre-enrollee position. I'm going to assume you're already a pre-enrollee, and then your next step is to go to a link that I'm going to give you like this. You enter your email, the one you used when you signed up as a pre-enrollee. You log in, and then you're going to go to products. Listen carefully. You're going to go to products. In fact, let me just show you this. Let's make sure that there's no mistake. I want you guys to get a check. I don't want to lose you here, so I'm going to log out of here, and then I'm going to remember, you got to be a pre-enrollee. So if you're not a pre-enrollee or you don't know, go ahead and fill this out. If you already are, it'll tell you you are. Once you're a pre-enrollee, you got a position in the system, and that's totally free to set up. Then you'd enter your email here, and I'm going to enter someone else's email just to show you what this looks like. And so to go to a page like this, and if you don't want to make a lot of money with me, you don't want to have that conversation, you don't want to try the products and think a little bit bigger and open up the entire compensation plan to you, you just want to move forward for free, maybe you're in a really like ridiculously tough spot financially or whatever, then here's what you do. You're going to sign up as a free affiliate. You go down here. By the way, you guys might want to go to step 4 right here and just see what kind of action you got. I don't know if you understand what's going on, but this guy's got 6 paid affiliates in the last week, 4,678 pre-enrollees, and he can click on this to get more information. But again, that's for people that are more serious about making big money. That doesn't pertain to you if you're just going to do the free method just to get a check. So I'm going to move forward now. For those of you who just want to make a check, you don't want to like replace your full-time income, you don't want to put me to work to help you, you just want to get a check and you're happy with that. Here's what you would do. You go down here to get started now. You'd select what country you're in, and then you're going to scroll down to the bottom. You're not going to try any of these awesome products. You're not going to build a relationship with the product. You're not going to open up the additional income streams and treat it as a business. Scroll down to the bottom, and just click on no product purchase, become an affiliate, completely free. When you sign up this way, you're going to get a free account that looks exactly like mine. You don't actually have all your income streams open. You won't get to work with me in a big way, but you can make money at that level. So sign up for free like I just showed you. First, you have to become a pre-enrollee if you're not already, then sign up for free like I just showed you. And then you're gonna go to my website right here. You can replay this video, go to website URLs. This is how you can get a check. Again, we're talking just a little check. It's not gonna support you and your family. It's not gonna grow into massive income. You're not gonna open up all the income stream channels. You're not gonna get to work with me directly, but you can promote this. You have access to all of these tools. So you could choose any one of these lead capture pages. Go back there and choose the one you want. Let's say it's gonna be this one. And then what you do is you just copy that link that you see when you click back there. It's already gonna be connected to you. And then you can share that wherever you want to, but here's the easy thing to do. Just post it on Facebook. You don't have to type anything, just post it, okay? And then post it on Twitter, post it on LinkedIn. If you have LinkedIn, click this little email box, send it out to some people. Just get it out there. And you might be saying, well, Mike, what if nobody responds? You'd be surprised. These are awesome tools. And oftentimes, most of the time with this first easy step, which is what's gonna take you seconds, people respond. If they do, reach out to me and I'm gonna help you with the next step. If nobody responds, let me know and I will help you. But actually there's one more step you could take. Go ahead and let me know because I'll guide you with this process to make sure it happens. But the next step would be, after you do that, you can go to, let me see if I can find it real quick, tools, and then go to, let's see here, where is it? Mobile app. It's called the MDC Genius Prospecting app. It's really awesome. Watch this video from Josh Swagel. So do this after you do the other step. The other step is often enough. And then when someone becomes a pre-enrollee in your account, let me know, and then I'm gonna help you get a check. And by the way, they don't have to buy products for that to happen either. But we'll do it one step at a time. Again, that's a small check, but it's a good check. It's money. It might be 20 bucks, might be 40 bucks. And then just understand though, if you want to make bigger money, ridiculous money, full-time money, if you want to be able to sip wine in the evening and be making a lot of money, like doing really easy stuff, I'll show you how. Okay. Do the first step I just showed you. If somebody replies, let me know and I'll help you with the next step. If somebody doesn't reply, let me know. But then also go watch this video here on downloading the mobile app, because this is another tool and he walks you through how to use it completely free, really easy, really cool way to promote it. If that doesn't work, then I'll help you with the next step. These are all so easy, such easy steps to do. It's ridiculous to get a check. So again, if you already have a pre-enrollee account because you filled up with these lead capture pages before, go get signed up as a free affiliate. Use the tools. You have access to the entire back office. All affiliates do without making any additional fees or anything. You don't have to buy anything. By the way, you can also go to Contact Manager, go to my website, Contact Manager, and it's going to show you when people show up. It's going to show you them showing up here. You have all these cool tools. They're going to see people falling underneath them, which is also really awesome. You know, when I bring people in and stuff, that goes underneath them. That can get them excited. All kinds of things in the system are helping them realize there's an entire system and structure here to help them too. So there's a lot to get them excited. Okay, you have access to all of that. It's really, really easy, guys. Become a pre-enrollee if you're not already. I'll send you the link in case you're not a pre-enrollee. If you're not sure, because it was a long time ago when you filled it out, who knows, fill it out again, it'll tell you. If you're a pre-enrollee already, let's go back and show you that. I'm gonna give you another link to another page. It's so easy, guys. I'm going to give you another link to another page. If you're a pre-enrollee, it looks like this. And just enter your email and go in, sign up for free, like I just showed you. Go to products, scroll to the bottom, sign up for free, and then use those tools to promote, and then let me know what happened or didn't happen, and I'll show you the next step. There's lots of ways we can do this, and they're all really easy, and they're all really fast. I'll help you get a check, but I'm going to say it one more time. If you want to change your life, if you want to live an extraordinary life, if you want to use the internet in a really cool way and have fun and make great friends and share a vision of a company with fantastic products. This CBD product changed my life. I've got a serious health challenge. I wouldn't be here if this hadn't helped me massively to avoid a very serious surgery that would have left me significantly handicapped. I wouldn't be able to swallow without mechanical help. I wouldn't be able to hold my head up. Like this is serious stuff. That's why I'm here. And they have lots of amazing products. I did 170 million last year. The CEO of this company is 29 years old. He did 170 million last year. You know how competitive the CBD market is. This is the #1 seller of CBD in the world because it's a phenomenal product, and also because he knows how to put a company together to be able to facilitate that. And that's just the beginning. If you're in a country that can't receive CBD, you can use our system and my support to make money in other countries that can. I have a global business. I just did a Zoom call with a team in Nigeria. It's crazy. Guys, open your mind up to the possibilities. If you want to make a full-time income and have my help, let me know. If you don't have a lot of money, you can't buy a lot of product, fine, let me know what's going on and we'll put a plan together. Do you want to just make a check or two? Cool. You got access to all these free tools to make it happen. All right, guys, I'll see you soon.